Just gonna do a little bike check. This is a Vitus Sommet CRX. This is Alex's, so it's extra large. 170mm travel on the front, 160 on the back. We're running Fox suspension this year. We've got Fox 36 forks on the front, and we've got Fox air shock on the rear. So we've got 27.5 wheels, and they're DT Swiss hubs and rims. WTB tyres, so Vigilante's on the front and a Trail Boss on the back. WTB Vault saddle. On mine, however, I've got an even better saddle because it's my women's specific she-wolf saddle. This year we're running Shimano XT gearing. We've got an 11-speed kickset and a 32T chainring on the there.
We've also got an MRP SXG chain guide, which is going to keep that chain nicely on the chain ring. When you're trying to film like a professional video, this is
Oh, you broke his stick! What did you do that for?
So this year we're also running the Avid Code brake, so we've got two pot pistons at the back, 2 pot calipers, and then just code levers. We've ridden them a couple of times now, pretty powerful so far. Finishing kit this year is Nukeproof stuff, so we've got a Nukeproof Horizon stem and we've got Nukeproof carbon handlebars. At the minute these are 28mm rise, 45mm reach stem, and the width from these bars is 780mm. Amanda, what size handlebars do you run?
750.
Seat post this year, we're on a Brand X Descend drop post, which has been, again, solid so far. It's just a cable drop post. Don't ask me about geometry, I have no idea about angles and stuff. Just know that it rides real well. Climbs real nice, and goes down just as fast. Crank arms, 170mm long, and that's literally about it. I'll pop all the details below in the description if you want to know more about the bike. Got any questions about the bike, or let me know in the comments what enduro bike you ride. Keen to know.